How to get your money back from Cash App. If you want to get your money back from Cash App, maybe due to any sort of reasons that you might have. Now for this, what we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, we have to request a refund. Normally when you open Cash App and you tap on the activity icon from the bottom right, and when you are on this activity page, you'll find a transaction where if you select that, you'll also find the option to claim a refund for that transaction. If that is not helping, you have to dispute the transaction by contacting Cash App customer support. To contact customer support, once you come to your home page, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. When you're here, you can scroll all the way down until you see the option that says support, and then make sure to tap on it. Then when you tap on support, here you can see Cash App support. Then just contact the customer service provider, let them know what your issue is about. For example, you want a refund because maybe it was a fraudulent transaction. And this way you'll be able to get your money back from Cash App. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.